Hello, ma'am. My name is Rekiras Busho. Today, I am going to present my presentation on assignment on mechatronics. My roll number is MAB 18019. So, let's start. In the first question, we have to show the machine components or mechatronic system that used in our daily life. These are some examples, which are tools, computer, cars, camera, and other electronic devices like high-speed trains, and also some memes and others. Out of this, I have taken the automatic camera, and which block diagram is given here. The here the control units are switch to activity system, battery test, range sensors, interface actuality, light sensor, enclosure to give lens position, and the processing units are like motor drive, solenoid, lens position drive, aperture control drive, display of data in viewfinder, and the motor drive works like to advance the film, solenoid are to actuate to open shutter and to close the shutter, and the aperture control drive are the motor stepper motor. And the second question are explain how coordinate measuring instrument and digital profilometers are used for automatic quality control and inspection in manufacturing. Coordinate measuring machine. A coordinate measuring machine uses a very sensitive electronic probe to measure a series of discrete points from the geometry of a solid part. These measurements are used to confirm the part's conformance to specification. Then, in the next slide, we are discussing about the components of CMM. The main structure, which includes three axes of rotation, axis of motion, the material used to construct the moving frame has varied over the years. Probing system, data collection and reduction system typically includes a machine controller, desktop computer, and application software. Then limitation to the CMM. All touch probes make physical contact with an object to take a reading. The size of the probe tip must therefore be suitable for the features it intended to measure. A tip that's too large will be unable to resolve fine features smaller than itself. Also, the tip must be very clean at the microscopic level to ensure that no foreign contaminants get between the tip and the workpiece. And the other one, very soft and pliable rubbers or elastomers might be so yielding under the touch of the probe that the surface deflects slightly, causing an errant reading. Other techniques involving lasers or visible light would then be employed for a more accurate measurement. Then on the next slide we discuss about how reliable is the CMM. The reliability of the CMM is dependent upon a very rigid physical frame that does not distort over time or due to environmental conditions. Our Nikon Altera ceramic bridge CMM using a Renishaw PH10M Plus probe is guaranteed to maintain its accuracy for 10 years without requiring adjustment or calibration, a testament to the robust, robustness and reliability of its design. Next, in the next slide, we discuss about digital profilometer. A digital profilometer is measuring instrument used to measure a surface profile in order to rectify its roughness. Critical dimensions as depth, curvature, flatness are computed from the surface topography, and this is the picture of a digital profilometer. Thank you. This was my presentation. Thank you.